Hi, I'm Kiranmayi. I'm the Chief Dietitian of Apollo Cradle Hospital, Jubilee Hills. So today I'm going to talk on the importance of nutrition for lactating mothers. After pregnancy, the next phase is lactation for women. So this lactation phase is very crucial, and there is a very high chance of developing post-pregnancy weight gain. So in order to prevent weight gain and to maintain a healthy lifestyle and healthy weight, lactating mothers should follow a very healthy diet which is very rich in proteins, in calcium, in all the multiple micronutrients and multiple macronutrients in their diet. For example, milk and milk products, they are very rich in calcium and protein. So they have to include at least 2 to 3 glasses of milk per day. It can come in the form of buttermilk or curd or cheese or butter. Along with milk, I usually recommend them some protein supplements or whey protein isolates to increase the good quality of protein in their diet. And coming to lactating mothers, I usually give them a list of food items which are going to increase their breast milk. They are also called as lactogogues. For example, all the Indian spices and herbs like ginger, garlic, onions, they actually contribute in increasing the milk production. Not only these, the green leafy vegetables like spinach, amaranth leaves, drumstick leaves, they are very rich in vitamin C and they contribute in increasing the milk production of lactating moms. Not only these food items, they have to include good quality proteins. For example, chicken, fish, and mutton in their diet, which is going to contribute to their protein intake, at the same time their good quality of fat intake as well. And they can even include healthy breakfast cereals like oats, muesli, then any breakfast cereal along with a glass of milk or an orange juice. Do not consume milk and orange juice together, give at least a time gap. And there should be inclusion of different types of fruits in their diet. Colorful fruits and colorful vegetables are going to add variety in their diet. Fruits or fruit juices can be consumed by lactating moms. If they are taking fruit juices, they have to take it without sugar. Fruits are packed with vitamin C, antioxidants and phytonutrients. So do consume at least one vitamin C rich fruit in their diet. And then dry fruits also play a major role in contributing to increasing the milk production of lactating mothers. For example, soaked almonds, raisins, walnuts, pistachios, they are all very nutritious and they do consume they actually constitute a lot of essential fatty acids and good quality protein. So dry fruits can be taken in the form of powdered form in dry fruit milkshake, or they can be consumed in the form of nutty form. So it depends on what kind of recipes a pregnant or a lactating mom is going to take it. And other food items which include are eggs. Eggs also contain excellent and good quality protein and amino acids. So egg is considered as a gold standard for protein. So those who are non-vegetarians, they can at least consume 2 egg whites or 1 full egg per day. They can even include cow ghee, which is very nutritious for lactating mothers. So these are some of the important tips for lactating moms. They have to consume green leafy vegetables, ideal protein foods, for example, milk and milk products, curd, butter, cheese, fish, chicken, mutton, and Indian spices and herbs. All these contribute to increase in their milk production. Even panjiri is very good for North Indians. It is mixed with dry fruit powder. And even black sesame seeds, they make a sweet out of it, also known as sesame seed laddu, which is very rich in calcium and it is very excellent for lactating moms. So lactation mothers should consume a healthy balanced diet which constitutes more of milk and milk products, high protein foods, for example white meat like chicken, fish and egg whites. They should even include dry fruits in their diet, which constitutes essential fatty acids and good quality proteins. They should even include green leafy vegetables, for example, spinach leaves, amaranth leaves, drumstick leaves, which are very rich in vitamin C and it is excellent for lactating moms. For North Indians, they can actually take panjeri, and even South Indians can take panjeri. Panjeri is nothing but it's a dry fruit powder. And everybody must be aware of full makhana. Makhana is nothing but the roasted lotus seeds or stem, which is very nutritious, and they can take it in a roasted form that will actually help in increasing the milk production for moms. And breastfeeding mothers, they have to keep in mind that for the next 6 months, immediately after delivery, they have to breastfeed their children, and it is called as exclusive breastfeeding phase. They are not supposed to feed the baby with honey or water or any other complementary foods. Only after 6 months of exclusive breastfeeding, they can start for complementary foods for the babies or the infants. Like semi-solid foods can be started only after 6 months. And lactating mothers can continue breastfeeding up to 2 years of age. As long as the mother can feed the baby, she can continue breastfeeding, because breastfeeding actually helps in increasing and improving the immunity of babies. And in later life, babies are going to develop, or infants are going to develop better immunity, better health, better growth and development. And there is a recent research study which has proved that infants who have consumed breast milk of their moms for up to 2 years of age, or at least up to 1 year of age, have shown improved IQ levels. So that is the importance of breastfeeding. And one more important thing is, all the breastfeeding and lactating moms should keep in mind is no alcohol and no cigarette smoking while breastfeeding, because alcohol, cigarette smoking and caffeine is a compound which is present in coffee. These three should be strictly avoided, because whatever you eat, it gets transformed in the form of milk to the baby. So please keep this in mind and do consume healthy foods and develop healthy eating habits during the lactation phase, and even start with simple exercises during lactation. Thank you.